Well, I'm not quite sure what we're supposed to be doing now.
We're going to share our balikbayan box, and part of the recipient is Bibi.
This is the balikbayan box that one of the boxes that we just got from Joy.
Yeah.
Who had lots of
books
and
some
pencils,
drawings,
toys,
yeah,
things, and we made up a little thing here. Oh. So look. So this is a book about princesses. Yes. This is a special book for you.
Excuse me.
Well, that will have blown the ears out of anybody who's watching the video. Okay, so we've got some pencils, and there's another book there about Disney princess, and some heart-shaped pencil sharpeners.
And I think some mathematical subtractions to learn.
A 2-page workbook with stickers and an eraser.
Mathematical. For the equations.
Subtraction.
Yeah.
Oops. Oh. Clumsy me.
I already gave some chocolates. So just because I just unpacked it today and segregated.
Something there. I don't think the bag is big enough for the big book.
Yeah.
Or the big books. Well, maybe.
It fits?
No, I think Alright. And what about the books and the stuff for our brothers?
Yeah.
Mar and Ako?
Marmar and Ako. I have some
We'll
also.
get those later. So these
Joy.
Mount Joy.
Thank you, Ma'am Joy.
Thank you, Ma'am. Hi, good morning. This is part of our sharing our balikbayan box, and another recipient is Marmar and Ako. Ihatag na, Nay.
Marmar. Salamat, Ma'am Joy.
Then Ako, there's some pencils.
Salamat, Ma'am Joy.
Oh, thank you. Abrihan ko na kung sa inyong mga kuan. There's some readings for some English, and then for drawing files. We're going to color it. And then Ako got some color also. And then the other one is Winnie the Pooh. And some crayons.
Salamat, Ma'am Joy. Gihatag nimo sa akong mga apo. Salamat, Ma'am Joy. Oh, crayon. Inyo nang angayon ng crayon.
This is a special message in with our thing of these shoes that Bill sent. Bill, I wish that these fit, but they don't. They're just too big for me. I can turn around and face the other way without the boots moving. So we just thought that Manarado might be able to use them.
Isukod ko naman nung.
He's going to try. Wow. So if you don't mind, Bill, we're going to pass these on so that they're being used.
Yeah. Di na gina siya mapakaghas. No, I told him that the snake cannot bite you anymore because of that that shoes.
Can't bite can't bite him in the foot.
Yeah.
Sure.
Thank you, Sir Bill.
Right.
Ang panit ka na uligon kay na. Mga 20 pa nakatuig mga kuba.
Ha?
Yan ko tunay katong may karton bit katong kapirang nga po.
Lahi po to.
So that's great. Thank you, Bill. And I hope you won't mind that we passed on these shoes to Manarado. Like I said, I hope you don't mind that we passed these on to Manarado. So it's Bill and Richie. This is a big trial in English, okay? So bear with us. Thank you, Sir Bel. Ma'am Ritze, sa show. God bless you.
Thank you. Thank you. God bless, ma'am. Sir.
Thank you.
Part of our sharing our balikbayan box. We got there's some kids here, so we're going to give some booklets, some drawing book. Dong.
Sus lah, dudung kuan. Laya hadin.
Dudong. Dudong.
Inday. Inday kumbay. Try dai. Dari ko ay.
Prenteng. Paran mo, day.
Daw.
Yan.
Oh, mag-eskwela na de ka
Dong. Dali, dong.
Eskwela na di ay ni.
Yan.
Hello Kitty. Nawas din.
Oh, Hello Kitty. Ato Elisan dong. Hello Kitty man day na dong. Ato Elisan dong. Oh.
Inday.
Nandun dyan.
Inday diyan.
Yeah.
Inday salamat. Ikaw salamat.
Bata ko maning usa. Oh. Dong, oh, hindi man kay di pa man kakabasag ka drawing.
Thank you.
Yeah. Yeah. That's part of our sharing our balikbayan box.
So we're looking at sharing out some of the school supplies that
Mga dong.
Joy sent. So word got around fairly quickly.
Lapis Inday. Inday. Lapis. Junior.
Unyok ko na si Unyok. Si Unyok.
Jim, marahin no ag naon.
Tudo.
Yoy! Yoy! Yako na doon. Mag-away mo na.
Dali.
Lakas ka ni Uy, ang linihian man ang kuy-kuy yung isok na purun.
Sabaw ka.
Hello Kitty Inday. Lapis.
Kabayo. Ako atong kabayo. Atong kabayo.
Ano ka nitin mo nga? O si... Uy! Inday ko.
Kuan man ka sa man taon to, nag-uod man sa bisa kubaw.
Little boy. Hey James. Hi.
Mga Inday.
Ajin, ingog thank you.
Thank you.
Imo ning crayon. Lapis na. Okay.
Thank you, bro. The sponsor.
Ang crayon mo. Crayon. Mga doon.
Mar, pangayong crayon Mar. Jinjin puno. Sabi pangay crayon din.
Yun na lang na sila din magmakay si Day.
Tapos ni mo.
Oo, sige. Kamu na lang, Mar. Kamu share na lang mong Jim.
Itan, ako.
Nanay, Grace. Nanay crayon si Kuan.
Nana may agsi.
Oh, grabe ka dit. Kasi mo balulu.
Ay, sika kay Gana may crayon si Ay ba? Now naman.
Si Day Day.
Wala.
Balulu to yayaw mo eh.
Yapay crayon dai.
Day 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 Day. Didi. Mara may batanggap ang birthday.
Ala, may crayon.
Maray crayon ay nice.
Are we all given out?
Yeah, already na.
Salamat sa puno. Oy, thank you.
Tapok ko na thank you, Ma'am Joy. Sige na, tapok. Sige ha.
Tago lang kay nang
Sige na.
Sige kayo, Jim. Iisa lang ng imuha din.
Ayaw. Sige na day. Adito tanaw mo. Tanaw ha. Yeah, they're going to say thank you.
Bitog na ni Jimjik.
Okay? Sige na. 1, 2, 3, go.
Thank you, Ma'am Joy. Ma'am Joy.
Ang si Dayday mo mag-nag-uol nga atas.
Yeah, thank you.
Ato na nang atong ipuso na.
May pangbata.
Pagkitang mamala imong duwaan ka.
Mamala, awang duwa ni Dayday, mamala. Ayaw.
Ato ibutang ng lapis diha. Ah,
Sinamok lang, Big. Hindi pa mo kapwede, anak, Big.
Wala pa rin ang
Isod sa na, Big.
dapat sa ni kay trayo ning bataan, kay kay pagkakas sa mariman ni pagi naggawas.
Isod sa na. Isod sa na, gali.
Ayaw daw